March 25, 1911. New York City. A fire broke out on the top floors of a factory building. Within minutes, panic spread. Workers rushed to the exits. But the doors were locked. Some tried to escape through the windows. And then, people began to jump. In just 18 minutes, 146 workers were dead. This is the story of the Triangle Shirtwaist Factory fire. The disaster that changed workers' rights forever. The Triangle Shirtwaist Factory was located in Manhattan. It occupied the 8th, 9th, and 10th floors of the Ash Building. The factory produced women's blouses. Most workers were young immigrant women. Many were just teenagers. They worked long hours, 6 days a week, sometimes more than 12 hours a day. The pay was low, and safety was almost non-existent. The factory floor was filled with fabric scraps. Highly flammable materials were everywhere. There were very few fire safety measures. No sprinklers, limited fire escapes, and worst of all, some exit doors were locked. Owners feared workers might steal materials, so they locked the doors during working hours. That decision would prove deadly. At around 4:40 p.m., a fire broke out on the 8th floor. No one knows exactly how it started. Within minutes, flames spread rapidly. Fabric scraps fueled the fire. Workers on the 10th floor were warned. They escaped quickly, but workers on the 9th floor never got the warning. They were trapped. Workers rushed to the exits. But one of the main doors was locked. Panic spread. Some tried the elevators. The elevators made a few trips. But soon, they stopped working. Others ran to the fire escape. It collapsed. There was nowhere to go. Firefighters arrived quickly, but their ladders were too short. They only reached the 6th floor. Workers trapped on the 9th floor had no escape. One by one, people began to jump. Crowds gathered below. Witnesses described a horrifying scene. Bodies falling, people screaming. In just minutes, dozens had died. The fire lasted only 18 minutes. But the damage was devastating. 146 workers died. Most were young women. Some were as young as 14. New York was shocked. America was horrified. Public outrage followed. Investigations began. New safety laws were introduced. Fire drills, unlocked exits, better working conditions. The tragedy changed labor laws forever. Today, many workplace safety rules exist. But many were written in blood. The Triangle Shirtwaist Factory fire reminds us, safety regulations are not just rules. They are lessons learned from tragedy. March 25, 1911. A fire that lasted 18 minutes changed history forever.